Hi guys, so we are at Hykeham station level crossing in Lincolnshire with Shane and Andrew. Andrew's going to get the BCD and this is for our 2 Lima 75, 1780 Disabilities Trade Service. And and East Mids have decided to get rid of their 1704s.
Yeah, it's basically a summer timetable only or something.
As is the 1813, as you can see here. That
If you can make out at tops what we got.
That 1820...
8! Where you come from? I sent a 3-6. Well,
That 1820 was supposed to go to Cleethorpes.
Anyways, off to Sent is 158.
783!
3.
158, 783 to Lincoln.
Choose one subject not from platform 2. To run.
Hey, 783.
158, 783 Lincoln.
Who's busy for a Sunday? I don't think anyone would want this station on a Sunday. And that's it.